The boys heading out of Haulover for a day of fishing, always a fun sight. Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida in a 5-round competition to see who will be victorious. And this is going to bring us to the first round of our competition, where Haulover and the boats are ready to do battle, and our first competitor to step in the ring and try and do battle with Haulover is going to be a Vanquish. And here we go, Cap's making his approach. Right now looks okay, has a decent pace. These European boats, you've got to keep that throttle up to try and keep this bow up. It's got a really sharp entry and will do its job and cut right through these waves as long as you keep the speed up. But these boats are notorious. If you back down on that throttle, they just don't have a ton of freeboard, which leads them to stuffing pretty easily. Right now, Cap looks pretty good. He's almost to the mouth of the inlet, might take a win, but no! At the end, he winds up slowing down a little bit as he comes over the top of a wave, winds up just catching a massive amount of water and getting absolutely soaked by Haulover in this one. Here we're going to see in the replay, he comes over the top of a wave and just winds up falling down into the trough. That nose winds up diving, and man, he winds up taking a blast of salt water, and the free Haulover deck rinse is in effect, but also the loss for the boats is in effect as well, as we move into the second round of our contest with Haulover up 1-0. But the boats are going to throw a big boy in the ring here in the second round, as we're going to have a yacht coming through Haulover. I'm not exactly sure what brand this is. If you know, let me know in the comments. But our crew is making their way out. Man, I'm not sure this boat's going to have any issues. Haulover's barely making this boat move as it starts to make its way out the mouth of the inlet. This crew might have one of the easier times we've seen today as they continue to make their way out. Cap looks, oh no, they're about to lose a cushion. It winds up smacking the windshield on the top deck of the boat. The captain goes for the save, winds up catching it with his hand. Unbelievable. I thought for sure they were going to have an easy win, but Haulover's win winds up catching this cushion, but Captain comes up with the save. I'm going to have to go ahead and give him the win on this one as he makes that last second save of the cushion. And that's going to bring us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our contest. And here in the third round, we're going to feature a Sea Ray stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the inlet. This is a small boat for as big of a day as this is. As you can see, they get lost underneath some of these waves as they're starting to work their way out. And right there, I think they did the light stuffing, and on top of that, Haulover's knocked open their rear storage compartment, typically where the inboard-outboard engine would be if this boat was equipped with that, and it's so rough they don't even notice it. Our guys work their way out. Here you can just see the size of the waves in comparison to this boat. Right here, they get extremely vertical on the way back down, catch the lightest of stuffings, but right here, this final smack winds up opening the storage compartment, and these guys, again, they're so focused on Haulover, they don't even notice it. It's just because it's such a rough day and firing so hard. Overall, they do okay, but I gotta go to the scorecard on this one, and there was a lot more bad than good here, and I'm gonna have to go ahead and give the win to Haulover in this round. And that's gonna give Haulover Inlet the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round of our competition. Here in the fourth round, the boats are gonna toss a yellowfin in the ring to see if they can bring themselves back to tie this one up. And here comes our crew on approach. This is a really slow approach, but again, big following sea, they're trying to play it safe. Now, the reality is with a big following sea, typically what you want to do is try and post up on the back of a wave. You don't want the waves behind you catching up because it lifts the stern of the boat up and can put you into a tough spot. But our crew's just going to take the super uber cautious approach here, which I can't blame them on. I would have loved to have seen them full send it. This boat has the tools to do it, but they chose the safe approach and are going to take a safe, easy win for the boats here in the fourth round. Now with that victory, we move into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece, and the boats are going to throw a Grand Bakes in the ring to try and close it out to see if they can pull off the upset victory as Haulover's been firing all day. Our crew is making their way out. Again, slow roll. I'd like to see this boat get a little more speed behind it and try and get barely up on plane. But again, it's a big heavy boat. They've got the no wake zone up to the bridge that we didn't really see, so it takes them a few minutes to get this thing going. And the reality is with a rough sea like this, probably even going to take them just a little bit longer. But it's not firing enough today to really do any kind of serious damage to a boat of this size. And unfortunately for Haulover Inlet, even though it throws a couple big smacks in here, the boats are going to wind up taking a victory in this round, and that's going to give the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that features all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.